My name is Shaughnessey Winter, she, her pronouns. I am a millwright for the marine maintenance department. So as a millwright, we are metal fabricator welders, and we go around to all of the waterfront properties, fix anything and or replace. We fabricate all sorts of different kinds of metal components. So whether it's aluminum, steel, any of that, if it breaks, we fix it or replace it. I've definitely had to learn how to be more in the field and working from like a truck and a welder and all of that stuff that's mobile instead of just being in a shop all the time. So using different components like stick welding instead of just wire feed. And definitely grown like being able to take leadership classes, the link leadership, and being able to do all of those kinds of things as well, like just growing as a person and developing myself on top of just like what I do for work. Honestly, I enjoy the fact that every day is different and change of scenery, a lot of change of scenery, so it's really cool. Being on the water all the time is just kind of my happy place. I definitely think a lot more women should get into the trades. It's definitely nice that doing a lot of the trade shows for the poor and women in trades and all of these things to be able to show these younger kids and other women that it's doable. I work with the Maritime High School kids, and I have a couple mentees that are girls, and to watch them like interested in job shadow and really like, I guess you kind of see their eyes open and the light bulb click on, like that, oh wait, you can do this, and wow, that's actually really cool. Honestly, my dad inspired me. He's been a metal fabricator welder his whole life, and I kind of just followed in his footsteps. Every day is different, and honestly, that's what I love about this job. I'm not doing the same thing over and over again. There's some days where I do have a big project and it might take a week or a couple months, and then there's other times where I have 5 different things that I'm doing in one day. I could be going all the way up to Shaughnessey Bay, Fisherman's, and then back to the shop. I also enjoy the fact that there's so much opportunity here. There's opportunity for growth, for development, and all of that stuff. So whether it's moving up or across, there's no end, I guess. So there's always another rung on that ladder, so there's always something else to attain.